In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile icon on Squarespace. Whether you're looking to refresh your branding or just want to give your account a little personalization, updating your profile icon is a simple process. Let's walk through it together. First things first, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the account dashboard. Now, this is your home base and offers a snapshot of all your active projects and account activities. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already, as this is where you'll manage all things related to your Squarespace sites. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You should see an option labeled Account Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you into your account settings area, where you can make various adjustments related to your profile and personal information. It's a good idea to explore the other settings available here at some point, but let's stay focused on updating that profile icon for now. Immediately after you click on Account Settings, you'll be directed to the first section, which is your profile. Here, you'll find your current profile icon proudly on display. Underneath this icon, you'll notice the word Edit. This is your gateway to making the change you've set out to do today. Clicking on Edit will give you a couple of options, so look for the Upload button and click it. At this point, your computer will prompt you to select a file. This is where you will choose the new image you wish to use as your profile icon. A couple of quick tips here. Choose a clear, recognizable image that represents you or your brand well. Also, make sure the file size and format are compatible with Squarespace. Generally, standard image formats like JPEG or PNG will work just fine. Browse through your computer files and select the image that suits your needs best. Once you've selected the file, you'll be required to confirm this choice. This step might include a preview of your selected icon. Double-check that everything looks good before finalizing. After you're satisfied with your selection, go ahead and confirm it. Just like that, your new profile icon is set, and that's all there is to it. Updating your profile icon on Squarespace is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. It's a small change that can have a big impact on how your account is perceived online. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this change both effective and refreshing. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.